You bet I don't have 20 pink fidgets. Let's check. Okay, so let's put this back. Come on. Okay, so let's check the first drawer. I have a reddish pink bike chain, so there's one. I have this pink slime, so that's 2. I have 1, 2 pink marble mesh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have a pink globule on my ceiling, so that's 14. 15. 'Let's keep checking. 16, 17. I have this pink slime, so that's 18. This is mostly pink. It's a little balance bird. So I'm going to count it. So that's 19, I think. And I do have pink micro mellow. So I don't know if he counts. If he does, that's 20. I forgot this one. So that's 21. So if any of those didn't count, I think I won. But please let me know if you think otherwise. Keep guessing.